Hey guys, welcome back. This is Gabriel with Advantix Media. I just want to go and show you guys this boat that we're wrapping here. This is a 1988 Donzi Regatta boat. It's about a 25 foot. Take a look at this here. This is where we're going to do a full wrap all the way to the top, but let me take you guys around so you guys can see where we're at so far. This is Tony, he's our installer, so as you can see, he's super detailed, going all the way from the front. We had to do quite a bit of planning to make sure that the wrap and the word Donzi was well lined up, that the color showed up. We removed quite a bit of parts to make sure that this is well done. As you can see, the windows usually go here. We had these removed so that we can put the wrap right over this area, and then we're going to put everything right back. And so this is going to go up to the top portion there. We're gonna wrap up to there. We're also gonna put wrap right there along the windows. That's gonna be a perforated perf, and that'll say Donzi right across there. And then in that section right there, we're gonna put some wrap right all the way there, and then we still need to do that whole area right here, and that's gonna be lining up with this portion right here. But this boat, when it is finished, it is going to look spectacular, guys. Let me take you back a little bit and you guys can get a feel overall. So basically, when we come over here, it's basically empty so far, nothing here as you can tell, but it is definitely going to be a full transformation. As you can see, the sides here have been fully prepped. Let me come back around so you guys can see. And obviously from this side here, we're gonna come back and the lines are gonna meet right there. And then we're gonna do the full top too. So as we progress, you guys will get to see the amazing wrap that is gonna happen on this boat. Right here, this is Tony. He's an amazing installer. He's super detailed and does an amazing job. If you guys bring your boat out to us, you will love the work that we're gonna do. That top part right there, that whole area is gonna be changed. It's gonna look completely different. So if you guys have a boat that you guys are interested in wrapping, give us a call and we'll help you guys out. We're Advantix Media. The number here is 702-522-1798. Thanks guys, we'll see you here. Right here we have a boat that I want to show you guys that we just finished. It's a 1988 Donzi, and our client came all the way from California, and so I'm going to introduce you to him.
My name's Nick from California.
Hey Nick, so tell us, Nick, what do you think about this boat, Nick? I mean, this is your boat right here.
Sure, I kind of came up with this conception in my mind of what I wanted it to look like, and through our communication, which was excellent, mostly over the phone, doing text and sending messages. But you nailed it, exactly what I was looking for. We went back and forth lunch times. Your patience was super appreciated, and it turned out exactly what I wanted. Great job.
All right, cool. You hear that, gang? So let me take you guys and show you guys the boat. This is the front right here. Let me show you guys this is the hardest part. Whenever you're gonna do a boat wrap, is you wanna make the seams right there basically seamless if it's one piece going through. And then, and let me show you guys the top as well. If you go to the top, you'll see this was supposed to a full wrap all the way through. We even did the windows too right there with some perforated vinyl. And if you look at the edges, these were done with knifeless tape, which makes super clean cuts. And then once we finish wrapping it, also we want to ensure that the wrap stays for a long time. So we basically sealed all the edges right here with sealer to make sure that the water doesn't penetrate there. We also removed these windows. We put fresh new silicone in there and retightened them up. And This is what it's looking, guys. We wrapped it all the way to the top. Let me come around. And this is the back right here. It just wraps around right here on the back. We have here, it says Relentless. And like I said, our goal is to make it super clean. Let me back up so you guys can see the whole boat, just from one end to the other. This is a 25-foot boat, and it just looks absolutely spectacular. This wrap was really fun to do, fun to design. We made quite a few adjustments on the design till we got it just right. So if you guys are interested in getting your boat done, we'll work with you from end to end to make sure that the finished product is something you're looking for. Is that right?
Yep.
Cool,
Great
guys.
job. Great.